Welcome back. Welcome back to rsaulule. By the way, sorry, I just put there again. Let's get a microphone. Crossface. This is the microphone that I use most of the time. Oh, please do not focus on my eyeliner. That's just for fun. I mean, I tried. Not my first time, but yeah, I'm not going to rely on this eyeliner. I'm going to tweak this. Okay. I need to do this. So now I connect my microphone and I just came back from church and I need to clean up my room, especially my wardrobe. Ta-da! It's all Terra Mera. Let's clean this up. What have I just done to my hand while opening that? I'm pulling off my skin. It's okay, you have to come closer. Go, 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 go. You want to see something here? It's I got it from the church, but something inside this, you'll see miracle. Oh my, it's my souvenir box. By the way, I got this microphone and it's Boya, okay, and I got it when I was back in Assam, like half long, and I've never used it. I don't know the use of this now anymore. I mean, this is good. I think it's a good one. Okay, I don't know how to use this. If you know, please let me know. I get it for. I forgot. Yeah, why did I get that? But I was so not confident enough to use this. It's still here. Please let me know if I can use it on my Google Pixel phone. No, it's not possible. Maybe I don't know. I don't know for what. Or if you want to get it, please let me know. Okay. Oh, this will take a lot of time. Sorry, I'm sorry. But you have to watch my vlog, okay? Because you have to support me. Yay! And all right, let me unbox this. I don't know if you love this or not. Okay, I got this. This is from YouTube. Big fan of your content. Are you? Are you really? This is Let's Connect. This is shit. This is so cute. So I kept it when I attended. And then what else? The rest are like my tickets, but no use. I just kept this because the day I missed my flight, I just kept it. This is nice. This is from Northeast Riders Meet, Arunachal Pradesh. When I finally get my key, I'll use this. I'm keeping it. Wait, this is also good, but I need to charge this. Actually, this is selfie ring. It's not working anymore, I think. Or if I charge, maybe come back, but yeah, it's dying for now. No, it's okay. Let's not try now. Oh, Neha Barla, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this. My friend from Himachal Pradesh who is in Shimla, she gave me this when I visited her. Ta-da-ta. This is my favorite leather jacket. It's summer, but it's still in my, wardrobe because this is my one of my favorites. Favorite jackets. It's oversized. And this, sorry, this is also one of my favorite jackets. Leather, it's pure leather, okay? I love it so much. It's quite heavy, but I love it. I'm sweating right now, okay? But I'm picking out my favorite jacket here. All right, let's arrange this. Oh, why are you like this? I got this thin hanger because so that it doesn't consume much of the space. But you are tera mera. This, I don't know whether I'll be carrying this ever or not, but I got it from Clear Trip with goodies. Ta-da-da. This, I can keep it in my bag luggage with the name tag, of course. Look at this. That's my wardrobe. And that I need to clean up. That's my bed. It's full. I need to clean up my own mess now. Let's get started. We must clean up now. You have to be with me because that's a lot. This is my boots area and it's so dirty. I need to clean this up as well. Ow! Mm, 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 mm. La, 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 la. Oh, so dirty. Yeah, eh. Young dumb bro high school kid. This is my dress. Let's get deep. It's my skirt, my shorts. You have to stay different. You have to be on hanger. This is my skirt. How do I style you? Or whatever, it's okay. Da, 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 da. This is my skirt. Ah, it's my top. It's my top. Top. It's it's my t-shirt. It's my t-shirt. I spoil my own t-shirt. This one. This tea I have all the pickle, spicy pickle all over it, and it's so spicy when I wear it. My God. This is my t-shirt. Oh, this is my pen. I love this half pen. Ah, it's useless. It's my t-shirt. Why am I not wearing this one though? It's my dress. It's very hot, so I'll not wear this summer. My t-shirt. It's from Switzerland. Switzerland. Sweden. If you know, you know this is Gun and Roses ka tank top. Very purana. This is my. Oh, oh, oh. What is this? Oh, this is my winter stuff. I got it from Haflong when I was going to one of the coldest village in Dimahasao district. That is Kipelo. So I got this. But the worst thing is that I forgot. Okay, I forgot in Haflong and I went. That means I've never wear this last previous vacation. And these are my gloves. If you have been following me, you'll see my gloves. This one. This helped me a lot. I was hosting that knitting festival and I wore this. And this socks, it looks so ugly, but this is so good for winter, okay? For extreme cold. Ah, this is my inner garments. That's my pants. You know what? I love to, buy in bundle so that I have sufficient. You have to excuse me for this. Oh, my boots. You are all dusty. This my I have previously I have all white and now I have all black. Here also black, black, black shirt, baba black shirt. Getting this is my trekking jogging top. This is very useful for riding. This is my black dress. Black dress. You must go in. You have to go in. This is from Mul Mul, given by Sister Christy. I love this one so much. And this is very handy, okay? Whenever I go for travel, I used to carry this one. And this is my dress given by my friend. Let's put it here. Let's go! Let's go. I still have here, 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 here. This is very useful when riding, while riding. This is from Arunachal Pradesh Notice Rider's Mate. I got it as a goodie. This is my power bank. And if you're from somewhere Lajpat Nagar, you will see this. It's very good. This store is very good. I've been telling my friends that this store has a really good collection. This, 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 this. Okay, I cannot be like this. I have to clean this up so that I can have a peaceful day, peaceful night. चलो ये हो गया my bed. This is my bed. This my makeup kit. I have lots of money. This my wallet. Let's clean this up quickly. Okay. Hello everyone. So I have cleaned up everything, and these are um, I've worn it already, and which are too clean to wash it and too not so clean to put up in my wardrobe. So yes, those are those. And I've arranged my wardrobe successfully. And yeah. Yeah, so I've cleaned up everything, and I hope you enjoy watching this vlog as much as I enjoy vlogging this. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching till the very end. Do subscribe if you're new here, and share it to your friends so that they can have a good time here as well. And it also helped me a lot. So if you can do that, I'll be very much grateful. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Quickly. Okay. How do I do? How do I do? Sure.